Vanakkam. Hi friends. So today we are going to continue learning tenses in Tamil. So let me share my screen and we'll start our today's lesson. So yesterday we learned some verbs which is ending with u and o sound, and then we learned how to use those verbs in present tense. Today we are going to learn how to use those verbs in past tense and future tense. Yesterday itself I said the suffix will keep on change in Tamil based on the pronoun, based on the tense, also based on the end sound of the verb. But here, even though it's changing based on the tense, it will follow one pattern. Here you see, I highlighted the letter R in present tense, which means the middle sound for present tense is R or R. For the middle sound for past tense is N, or we can say N, and middle sound for future tense is V, or we can say V. So the middle sound is R, N, V, or R, N, V for present, past, and future. So the template is going to remain same exactly. So just we are going to change the middle sound. So let's see this. I speak. நான் பேசுறேன். I spoke. நான் பேசுனேன். I will speak. நான் பேசுவேன். You speak informally. நீ பேசுற. You spoke. நீ பேசுன. You will speak. நீ பேசுவ. You speak formally. நீங்க பேசுறீங்க. You spoke. நீங்க பேசுனீங்க. You will speak. நீங்க பேசுவீங்க. He speaks informally. அவன் பேசுறான். He spoke. அவன் பேசுனான். He will speak. அவன் பேசுவான். He speaks formally. அவர் பேசுறாரு. He spoke. அவர் பேசுனாரு. He will speak. அவர் பேசுவாரு. She speaks informally. அவ பேசுறா. She spoke. அவ பேசுனா. She will speak. அவ பேசுவா. She speaks formally. அவங்க பேசுறாங்க. She spoke. அவங்க பேசுனாங்க. She will speak. அவங்க பேசுவாங்க. It speaks. அது பேசுது. Here you see, for it the middle sound is not going to remain same. Here it will be little different. It is th, ch and u is the end sound for it, because in Tamil we do have one concept called uyardinai and agrinai. So the remaining pronoun will pronouns are will the remaining pronouns will come under the category called uyardinai, but the it will come under agrinai, because we are going to use it whenever you are talking about animals and non-living things only, right? So here the rules also will differ a little bit. So here it will be th, ch and is the end sound. So it speaks. அது பேசுது. It spoke. அது பேசுச்சு. It will speak. அது பேசும். We speak to third person. நாங்க பேசுறோம். We spoke. நாங்க பேசுனோம். We will speak. நாங்க பேசுவோம். We speak among ourselves. நம்ம பேசுறோம். We spoke. நம்ம பேசணும். We will speak. நம்ம பேசுவோம். They speak. அவங்க பேசுறாங்க. They spoke. அவங்க பேசுனாங்க. They will speak. அவங்க பேசுவாங்க. So now let's practice with different verbs. Now let's practice with drive. For drive in Tamil we will say ஓட்டு. I drive. நான் ஓட்டுறேன். I drove. நான் ஓட்டுனேன். I will drive. நான் ஓட்டுவேன். You drive informally. நீ ஓட்டுற. You drove. நீ ஓட்டுன. You will drive. நீ ஓட்டுவ. Let's practice with run. For run in Tamil we'll say ஓடு. Okay. So you run formally. நீங்க ஓடுறீங்க. You ran. நீங்க ஓடுனீங்க. You will run. நீங்க ஓடுவீங்க. He runs informally. அவன் ஓடுறான். He ran. அவன் ஓடுனான். He will run. அவன் ஓடுவான். Okay, let's practice with shout. For shout in Tamil we'll say கத்து. He shouts formally. அவர் கத்துறாரு. He shouted. அவர் கத்துனாரு. He will shout. அவர் கத்துவாரு. She shouts informally. அவ கத்துறா. She shouted. அவ கத்துனா. She will shout. அவ கத்துவா. Let's try with buy. For buy in Tamil we'll say வாங்கு. She buys formally. அவங்க வாங்குறாங்க. She bought. அவங்க வாங்குனாங்க. She will buy. அவங்க வாங்குவாங்க. It buys. அது வாங்குது. It bought. அது வாங்குச்சு. It will buy. அது வாங்கும். Let's practice with write. For write in Tamil we'll say எழுது. Even though it is THU, here I wrote as THU, it should be D sound. எழுது. Okay. So we write. நாங்க எழுதுறோம். We wrote. நாங்க எழுதுனோம். We will write. நாங்க எழுதுவோம். We write among ourselves. நம்ம எழுதுறோம். We wrote. நம்ம எழுதுனோம். We will write. நம்ம எழுதுவோம். They write. அவங்க எழுதுறாங்க. They wrote. அவங்க எழுதுனாங்க. They will write. அவங்க எழுதுவாங்க. I hope you like this video. Please share this video if anyone of your friends interested in learning spoken Tamil. Thank you.